The 1981 DMC DeLorean is an iconic sports car, famously known for its brushed stainless steel body, gullwing doors, and roll in Back to the Future. Designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro, it features a rear-mounted 2.85-liter V6 engine, 130 to 132 horsepower, and was manufactured in Northern Ireland, with around 9,000 units produced in total, mainly for the 1981 to 1983 model years. The stainless steel DMC-12 was John Z. DeLorean's vision after being Pontiac's performance guru during the 1960s. This model was most famous for its role in Back to the Future, a 1985 American comedic science fiction film. It was the only car produced by the DeLorean Motor Company, DMC, and took 6 years to design and engineer. Built from scratch, the DeLorean was a new venture that eventually ran into production problems and was never succeeded by a replacement. Its place in automotive folklore has had somewhat of a cult following from owners that appreciate the individuality of the design.